Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch day has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Polygon, Matic, and Filecoin, Fil, increase collaboration to integrate into metaverse and NFT spaces. Polygon deepens integration with Filecoin as part of the partnership. Filecoin and Polygon have begun to create grants and hackathons in order to assist dev teams and NFT projects that use Polygon blockchain to integrate with Filecoin and Interplanetary File System, IPFS. Polygon is one of the so-called Ethereum killers that have been attempting to solve ETH bottlenecks. Like high gas fees and slow validation of transactions, it has become popular with NFT projects and DLT game makers. After that, Polygon Studios was created in order to support game devs and NFT projects working with Web 3.0. However, at the same time, a large number of teams that are making play-to-earn and NFT-related projects have become interested in IPFS and Filecoin, since those platforms provide provable and decentralized ways to store metadata and media like videos. New opportunities for NFT and metaverse devs last year, Filecoin and Polygon together launched the Mars Hackathon, which has been visited several times by over 1,500 dev teams. I has been oscillating sideways, while the price marked lower peaks. This reading kept the bullish revival hopes alive from the $18 mark. Its immediate trendline support at the 36 mark would be vital for the bulls to defend. The MACD has rather taken a back foot as its histogram lunged below the zero line, while the lines were on the verge of a bearish crossover. Conclusion: Fil truly walked on thin ice now. The buyers must uphold the $18 support to prevent a major fallout. In which case, a near-term tight phase around its point of control would be likely before the alt falls back into its long-term trend. Besides, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement and the broader sentiment would be important to complement the aforementioned analysis. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Stellar, near, Filecoin price analysis. 01 March. While overall sentiment saw a rapid improvement in the last 24 hours, Stellar in years RSI to test its overbought levels before facing a slight pullback. On the other hand, Filecoin's super trend continued to be in the green zone, while flashing high volatility in the near term. Stellar XLM, after recovering from its January lows, they all saw impressive gains by rising above all its EMA ribbons. However, since the sellers accelerated their force at the $0.2464 level, XLM descended in a down channel, yellow. After losing over 37% of its value, XLM plunged towards its 13-month low on 24 February. During this phase, the 20 EMA continued to display a strong resistance. Over the last 5 days, XLM was up by 21% and broke out of its down channel. Also, the bulls kept testing the 19 cents resistance, while marking higher troughs. This trajectory revealed increasing bullish influence. Any close above this resistance could propel a test towards the $0.209 mark. At press time, XLM was trading at $0.198. The bullish RSI moved in an up channel and jumped above the 59 mark. Now, it most likely will try to test the overbought mark before a pullback. Go next, it is near protocol, near, since its ath on 15 January, near lost 82.83% of its value, and rushed toward its 11-week low on 24 February. Moreover, it lost its crucial $10.9 level resistance, previous support. Near witnessed an ascending channel, white, breakdown on its 4-hour chart. This fall formed a strong bearish trendline support, yellow, dashed. While the $7.6 horizontal support coincided with the trendline support, near picked itself up from the $7.6 level. With over 29.6% gains in the last 4 days, it reclaimed lost $9.5 support and displayed a bullish edge. At press time, the alt was trading at $9.752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ATX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. The next, Filecoin. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Phil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.